Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I know so not be everybody know how to subscribe, but ma show you how to subscribe. You see that red light we did there? That red light. Now you go just press. You just have to press them once. If you don't press and I will say you don't subscribe. If you not show red again, you know say you don't subscribe. Then you get one small bell where they near am there. You go press that bell. So that in case if I put any video, it will give you notice. Say I Lady J don't upload a video. So now so. Not be say you can't press and make it because not everybody know because you get one woman. In the time you say I don't subscribe for you every day. I say every day. With different phone, with one phone, we say with a phone. I say no. If you do have everything, I say you they remove, you they unsubscribe me. He say really. He say no. Make it bring your phone. I say give me a phone now. I say I see. I'm not say. Is it show red? You never subscribe. He say in the saying don't subscribe. Now make me the talk. Not everybody know. You understand? Not everybody know how to subscribe. You understand the hair. So my people. Today topic now about one girl wey born pikin throway am for inside uncompleted building. My people, you know sometimes I go dey surprise whether the way some people take dey behave, the thing go dey surprise me. You know say you no want pikin, wetin make you born am? As you know say you no want pikin, you no ready for pikin, then wetin come make you get that morale, get that zeal say you want born pikin? You born pikin finish, you can't go throw am for inside uncompleted building. And so many people they look for pikin, they don't see. As that is, are you kidding me right now? With placenta, you born pikin, you go throw am. I know people they cry, they don't see pikin born. Now you born. If you look for best way to look for pikin, I mean you give them now. Instead, where you take throw me out. Because I know say people were going to do this kind of thing. Now those young girls say close your leg, you don't go close. Stay one place, you don't go stay. The next thing now to go born pikin. You born pikin finish, you go throw me out. And you gonna say that one be the best thing what you're supposed to do. That is. When I just see the video, I just shocked. Fine small. When I see him, I don't feel look at my people. The thing surprised me. The thing surprised me. I don't lie. I don't lie now. The thing shockatalized me. The way some people take they behave, the way some people take they behave, the thing they surprise me. You know, say you don't want pikin, you go born pikin, go throw away. What so many people they look for, they don't see. So many people they cry. They spend money for different places, men they born pikin, they don't see. Even get one when I see that, I will be say, because the name of say they look for pikin. Fake pastor go deceive am, say, make you come jogodo with am before you go born pikin. She really go do one. She believes in that one, that be the solution where she go take born. You know, no say nothing like that. The pastor they save am. Now somebody just see go through am. No, it's not good now. You know good. Some people will be say they never even do all those things, so they look for, they not go see. Tomorrow now, let's assume you wait to wait that pikin, and tomorrow you come marry and you must one born pikin. You can't look for, you not see, you can't give a wish. You they give devil. You go they give this. You know, you go forget now you use your hand cause problem. And so many people go don't do this thing before. We say today now they look for pikin, they don't see. Yeah. Today now they look for, they don't see. All because of what they fair do for pass. Now one person just see. He say now to throw away, and that be the best thing when you go do. My people, you people should stop doing all those things now. It's not good now. It's not good. Find small baby you just born and go through away. Are you kidding me right now? What are you? That is You go even surprise say she, you go even there among people there where they cry, they able to save for the person wey throw away herself. Oh no, is it not she? You go even there, they cry. Hey? And that baby can sit there alive. Now, wetin make me happy. I beg me somebody just carry that baby, go take care of am. Hey? That baby today innocent. Una go know so na never want pick una go the jogodo. Why not jogodo with rubber? Must you jogodo with bone to bone? Must you jogodo with bone to bone? Hey? You go jogodo finish now. Belle.com now. You born now. You see the best way you go do now to throw me. You go, because you're surprised that kind of person. Now by say boy himself. He born finish now throw me. You get mind. Your mind not get part 2. Your mind you not get part 2. More than stay one place. Una all those young girls. Una not go stay. Una not go stay. Una go dey jump. Una man go dey advise una. Stay one place. No, how you go stay? You not go stay. When you go see what they see for one place where they're supposed to stay, now that time you can't do all those kind of things. All those kind of thoughts you can't day in mind. Hey? Show up picking face and to throw me out. I bet which advice when I want advice our young guests now, my people. Which advice when I get for them, I beg. I want to advise them more because now waiting that they see for jogodo. Now this one see now we be saying the next thing when come for a man to go through where. Hey? Now what did they see for jogodo? Wanna close on our leg for one place. You will know say you never want picking. Wetin make you go they do bone to bone? Why you not use rubber? Wetin make them do all those things? Now because maybe you take protect yourself or you take prevention. Why you not do all those things? We be saying to come born that innocent pikin now go through here. Eh? It's not good. Maybe we stop all those things. It's not good now. Eh? All those babies don't deserve all those things. They don't deserve it. Eh? I beg. Man, not they do all those things again. Now God that take beg now. I beg. Eh? Young girls of nowadays, eh? You know, nowadays you go, if you go Africa, you'll see 12 years don't even carry belly. Stay one place, they not go stay. They are not go they advise them lie. I remember who would they grow they come that time. Things don't change, eh? Who they grow they come that time? They born you where be say you sleep outside. Or you go even go outside, you come to say your man when you know say when you know say your man also come. You don't try him now. Hey, I will ask that and the beat they go beat you, eh? Not be person go tell you may you stay as. You don't go even try him. We not let any of us try that and say you want to go sleep outside. But this time what would they now guess this young guess of nowadays, eh? The way body they cash them. The social media will come full everywhere. You see what that they do, eh? Young girl go just carry, he go the video itself in which the guy go they do all those jogodo things. You see, they go the video themselves. Small girls of nowadays. Even that one we go when the guy they drink tramadol that day now. Not be young girl. Now young girl too because they equipo. Now young girl. Now young girl too. When that guy just stay 4 good hours for on top of that girl. And I felt ask this question that how many hours from Lagos to Benin? It reached 4 hours. We want somebody just spent 4 good hours that day. Now those jogodo things so. Now they lead. To see now if I lead that to that single mother. We be say instead when she foresee who's responsible so that they will see better guy. We go put on for us. Now you see the jogodo they go so. You see the jogodo they follow everywhere they go. You say if friend they tell and say take a miss you may not go shift your womb. You say who womb help. You say who womb help. See huh? Now what did they tell now young girls of nowadays? Because who go do that kind of thing now we go be say born picking finish. Upon all those suffer we be say you take carry belly for 9 months, you come born and you say now the next option to throw here. Now those things Because all those young girls of nowadays, they don't want to stay one place. But they go, they catch them. But they go, they catch them. Their man go to talk to them, they don't go listen to you. Not the friend boy now. I go listen to your mama. You don't go listen again now. Even if mama don't be age mate now. You don't go listen. Now those things they cause them. You won't pick it finish. The next wake up for your mind not to throw away. Your mind reach you to run, lay picking what you labor for. Why you know your born picking, you go the beg. Yeah. As you don't born and finish, just go the beg. Many people help you. Instead, we be saying not to throw me and I can't do your mind. My people, I beg. Wanna stop all those things now. Our youngest of nowadays. Wanna stop them. Wanna responsible for ourselves. Be responsible. Stop doing all those things. If you never need picking, take prevention. Protect yourself. Tell the guy. If the guy say no, you know they use rubber. Tell him say you don't go do anything. Because some girls they any small thing they don't carry belly. So you prevent yourself so that maybe say you're not gonna go the for all those kind of situation again now. It's not good now. One of the pity for all those babies. Those babies they very, very innocent. They innocent. I make you see some women. After the adult born finish now, they'll begin they treat the pikin bad up because of what they are part one. That's what they see cash one that way one carry a pikin go inside bush go make a pikin up because of the man around liver. Don't be the same thing what we talk about with all those ones. The frustration of that man, they want carry him for the pikin body. But that baby they innocent. You not concern the baby now. You not concern him. The baby not send you message. It day when you go look for him. So deal with it, my dear. Take care of him. Because if you not go find that pikin trouble, she not go. If that pikin not go come life. Now you now go disturb her. So you deal with her, my dear. Say for you to come, they put that anger for that pikin body. I disagree with that. That one not possible. So for you to carry pikin, say that to go through where you know do that one way at all. That baby is too innocent. That baby is too cute. When I see the baby, I just like the reason people will be never born. I say, oh God, who never born pikin will see this kind of one and go happy. He go cherish this pikin. He go carry him. They happy. Oh, say God, now you do this one for me. Who see say he want through me. People they look for, they don't see. Some people don't spend how many years for marriage they don't see pikin. How many years? I know of one woman that time. We be say they look for pikin for your husband, I don't see. You have to advise your husband. May go give another woman belly. Now you can't even beg your husband. Your husband say no. You say I beg. You know only you say I beg. You know go fit. Make your husband go give another woman belly. The man really go do one. As the man give another woman belly, she can't get belly. You see, she can't get belly. So impatient sometimes if they worry us, or if you be say that woman I can't say give and look. You know, now she born too. So you not tell your husband you leave the woman. They see they for Europe, that will happen. Yeah. So what make me the talk and be say, who see one go through way in you? We be say some people they look for, they don't even see. They even want me be say some people say even though not even though say the pikin not stay, and it means see evil experience and say belle safe. You never see. But who see one go through way in you, my people. What do you think you will they watch me now for this topic? What do you think? Just drop your comments for the comment section. Then we will go from there. So thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time, I remember your one and only Lady Jill. Bye.